来看美国共和党全国代表大会上尾一天，Trump 发表提名演说，以共和党总统候选人的身份正式加入选战。Trump 伫咧演说讲到家己前2天互开枪整形，伊讲家己真好运才逃过这劫，所以任何代志拢袂当阻止伊参选。另外，伊嘛强调美国会搁一届赢过中国。
Believe what's happening. War is now raging in Europe and the Middle East. A growing specter of conflict hangs over Taiwan, Korea, the Philippines, and all of Asia. China, we were beating them. We'll do it again, but we'll do it even better. I will end the illegal immigration crisis by closing our border and finishing the wall, most of which already built. There is no greater love.
伫咧演说的头前部分 ，Trump 是无照稿来念。Trump 唔若批评现任总统拜登，佮有民主党政府。伊佮讲家己若选调总统，会替美国解决新税价、通货膨胀、能源佮有非法移民的问题。